Did you know that one Wisconsin farmer inspired three of horror's most famous movies? When police walked into Ed Gein's farmhouse in 1957, they found something that would haunt America forever. The quiet, awkward farmer had been digging up graves and killing women to make furniture from human bodies. Police discovered lampshades made from faces, bowls carved from skulls, and chair seats covered in human skin. But the most disturbing find was a woman's suit Gein wore to transform into his dead mother. His neighbors had no clue the shy farmer was creating this house of horrors. A shoebox contained 9 masks made from women's faces, a belt crafted from female body parts, soup bowls made from human skulls. Gein confessed to murdering 2 women but claimed most remains came from grave robbing. He was sent to a mental hospital where he died in 1984. His twisted crimes became the inspiration for Psycho, Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and Silence of the Lambs. What would you have done if you were his neighbor?